You've heard about Stashaway, right? That investing app everyone's talking about. But here's the burning question: is Stashaway actually free to use? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. Stashaway is a popular investment platform that offers robo-advisory services, meaning it automates your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Sounds pretty convenient, doesn't it? But like any financial service, there are costs involved. Unveiling the fees. Now, the big question: are there any fees associated with using Stashaway? The short answer is yes. While Stashaway doesn't charge you for opening an account or making deposits, they do have a few fee structures. Management fees: this is the core fee, typically a percentage of your invested assets. It covers the costs of managing your portfolio, including things like rebalancing, portfolio construction, and ongoing research. Trading fees: these are incurred when you buy or sell securities within your portfolio. Other potential fees: depending on the specific Stashaway plan you choose, there might be other fees involved, such as early withdrawal fees or account closure fees. Breaking down the fees. Management fees: these are usually the most significant fees. Stashaway offers different plans with varying management fee structures. Some plans have tiered fees, where the fee percentage decreases as your investment amount grows. Trading fees: these can vary depending on the market conditions and the specific securities being traded. Other fees: carefully review the terms and conditions of your chosen Stashaway plan to understand any potential additional fees. Is Stashaway right for you? Whether or not Stashaway's fees are justifiable depends entirely on your individual circumstances. Consider your investment goals. If you're a long-term investor looking for automated, hands-off investing, Stashaway's fees might be acceptable. Compare fees with competitors, research other robo-advisors and investment platforms to compare their fee structures. Factor in the value proposition. Consider the value Stashaway provides, such as personalized portfolio recommendations, automated rebalancing, and access to diversified investments. Remember that investment fees can significantly impact your overall returns. It's crucial to understand the fee structure of any investment platform you're considering and to choose one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Stashaway is not entirely free to use. There are management fees, trading fees, and potentially other fees associated with using the platform. Carefully evaluate these fees and compare them to other investment options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.